My DIY girlies, please rise. You guys, in honor of Pride Month, I'm dyeing my hair. Bueno fuera. This is Arctic Fox's Bleach Please. Okay, let's start. You guys, this is so full circle for me. Because look, prior to me coming out, dyeing my hair was literally the only way I was able to like express that I was a jota mayor. Because before I came out, I would dye my hair like all different types of colors. And I would just feel it just felt so sickening. So for today's look, what I'm trying to accomplish is an icy blonde. But it's because I feel like that's what looks best on me, and it's summertime, so I feel like that'll be the most fitting. So here I am applying all the bleach. And honestly, dude, I loved how easy this entire process was. It was like a 1-2 step Sierra. And the creamy consistency of the bleach was so sickening, felt all real good to get all up in the roots. And the dust-free formula was a plus. It's eating. Let me tone it. I'm scared. Okay, reveal in 3, 2, 1. Y'all, okay, look how it came out. Dude, Arctic Fox is really that girly. This is the final result. It looks so sickening. I can't believe I did it. Oh, but I was gonna tell you, don't be late to your appointment. Yeah, because I have a client right after you, and they're going to be bleaching también. It's just going to be a lot. So just be on time for your appointment. What color are you doing again?